Take a picture. Take a picture.
I see. Oh, there it is. There it is, people.
We lost the tooth. What a family celebration.
Done?
Done. It's a video.
Let me see.
It's actually a video.
I want to see the video.
Okay, kids, what?
If your last name starts with a B and ends with a K, it's time to give her hugs and kisses goodbye.
You're on 6.
I'm gonna flush the toilet because I'm gonna fall off.
Show and tell them, right?
Oh no. It's broken.
Take it.
Grandma. The flusher's broken.
Oh, yeah!
10 people to last night, too. $130 cash.
For what?
For the Zumba? For Zumba.
In the pool? Yeah.
Yeah.
Another lady.
What's in the toilet time? What's in the toilet?
That's about as money as you could get in. We had more than that in the night all my crazy bunco friends came.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know, Isabella. Go get, did you give everybody what about
I
the
did.
I think last time you see her with the baby in her belly.
They're going to remove this.
Because she's having the baby soon.
Send it out. Why? Because it's been there for 2 years.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty soon you're not even
That's nice.
Now that I know there's one thing,
Missed that.
I might have to show up on one day.
Any duty on this?
right here. He's like freaked out because I watched, but it was
Like it already fallen, so it was kind of bare.
Yeah.
There, but lady I want to say what she made
to put cortisone on it and put a Band-Aid on it and keep it covered. And of course it didn't get better. They tried out and it never
There's the
came out.
flush.
It came back as
Now he's duty
unspecific.
on this. I'm sure he does.
Nice to see you.
Yes, it was nice to see how they did it.
Yeah!
I know. Did you get
In the morning, beautiful. Tomorrow's the class.
You went to two girls.
Let's keep making money.
I hope the tooth fairy. I hope this is the night
Okay.
she flies. Sometimes it's not on the night she flies, and then you have to wait 2 nights.
Oh, your friend
You have to
is back.
see if
I've never heard that. That might be at the Yankee house. But no fly zone.
No, that's puppy's foot.
That might be when the wild
Only when you don't have change. Keep it down, girl.
I want to borrow that dog for 2 months.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Oh, what the floor do? Right up on the window.
I'll see you tomorrow morning, Mom. All right, honey. Here to see you. Bye.
Oh, come here.
Hi.
Bye, Grandma.
You want to stay with Aunt Kate?
You want to go
Of
home
course
to
you do.
bed, don't
She
you?
wants to know where her
Of
You
course
should
you
see her
do.
with the pictures.
Yeah.
Aunt Kate.
Yeah, anytime. Alright, and duty on is poking it. Shake it. Oh.
Alright, I gotta go buy that.
Okay.
Oh no, I didn't.
Oh snap, time. And this video. Now time for the breakfast.
Say out.
It was for you, remember? It was for you.